Let's make some plant-based chocolate blueberry ice cream that won't spike your blood sugar. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we are going to make this delicious chocolate blueberry ice cream that won't make your blood sugar spike. So we're going to jump right in. I've just got my NutriBullet right here because this is a serving for 1 to 2 people. So I'm going to start with a cup of blueberries. These are wild blueberries. I just like the wild blueberries a little bit more, but you can use regular sized blueberries too. I just feel like the wild ones have just a little bit more flavor to them. And I've got 3 medjool dates, and if you're using deglette dates, I would probably use about 5. A half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of cashews, and if you don't have cashews, you could also use almonds. 1 tablespoon of cocoa, and if you don't want this to have a bit of a chocolatey flavor, the chocolate is completely optional. You can just leave that out if you want it just to be plain blueberry. And then to brighten the flavor of the blueberries just a little bit, I've got about a half teaspoon of lemon juice. Because when you're making things with blueberries, especially ice cream, the blueberry flavor tends to be a little bit bland, and that lemon juice will help bring out the brightness of that flavor. Then I've got 1 cup of an unsweetened soy milk, but like I always say, you can use whatever plant milk you'd like, but I would just stress that it is an unsweetened version because we're going to get the sweetness from those medjool dates. All that's left is to blend, and we're just going to blend this until all of that is pulverized and there's no more chunks of blueberry or cashews. Okay, there we go. So this recipe is for a Ninja Creami machine, and that is why I have this little pint jar here. That's a container for that particular machine. You could use an ice cream maker too, but you would probably have to double this recipe to have enough really to get spinning in an ice cream maker. All right, then we're just going to put on the lid, and then you put it in the freezer for 24 hours before you spin it in your Ninja Creami. But I've already got one set up, so I'm going to grab that one, clear this out, and I'll show you how to spin it. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of free printable recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook series, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting membership community. So if you love our recipes, I invite you to join us on our mission to make plant-based cooking easy, and follow the link in the description to become a supporting member today. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. Okay, here's my already frozen one that I'm going to pop in here. So you just click it down into your little Ninja Creami container. And then when you are making this type of ice cream, because it's such low fat, you need to use the light ice cream setting. And we actually use it twice. We run it twice. So that is what we're going to do. Okay, there we go, if you want to come in and take a look. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to grab a bowl and a spoon, and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. All right, let's go for it. I'm so ready to dig into this. Okay. What a perfect way to get those blueberries in for your day. Come on back next week for another great recipe.